In this video, I will show you how to create custom fields in Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. You will then see your dashboard. On the left part is your menu list. On the right part of your screen, look for the Settings button. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Kanban Settings and then select Configure Create Form Fields. A pop-up will then show the settings for your form fields. Here, you can fully customize all the details you need, including information about the deal and other available options. For example, fields like name, customer, amount, and currency, start date, and source can all be checked or unchecked depending on your needs. Once done, click on Apply and your changes will be automatically saved. And that's how to create custom fields in Bitrix24.